Uncertainty, fear, anxiety have been the biggest challenges that we faced during these COVID times. Patients and their families, doctors, staff alike. I think all of us have faced the same issues. We saw a significant fall in the months of the first 2 months of COVID, hitting Bangalore in Cytecare. But because we are super specialty cancer hospital, patients have been able to come to Cytecare and continue their treatment. So we have seen overall about 85 to 90% compliance to continue treatment to the patients who need ongoing treatment. I think the international travel, until it opens up, will still be an issue for the international patients to come and continue their cancer treatment at Cytecare. Your key learnings. We should leverage technology. I think one of the biggest things that we learned is that technology can be an enabler, a dramatic enabler in such times and situations. And agility, I think the speed to be able to implement changes, to be able to adapt, to look at new processes and infrastructure and the design changes that we need to make was also an important learning. I think healthcare infrastructure will need to be designed in a way that can be ready to make certain changes to allow for such future pandemics to be responded to in a better fashion. Also, the overall emphasis on healthcare, the fact that now a large number of people are aware of the need to take care of health, wellness, prevention of disease. I think these are huge gains that I think as a country that we're going to see in terms of years to come. Trust in healthcare and healthcare institutions alike, I think is a huge opportunity for us to build transparency and being able to serve the patients in times of need and understanding the need for empathy and creating hope from a healthcare institution perspective, I think are key drivers at this point of time. Preparation for the new normal. Uncertainty will continue to be a challenge. And I think for all organizations and industries alike, and particularly healthcare, this is something that we will have to deal with in the months to come when COVID-19 continues to grow, but also ahead when we expect pandemics, viral pandemics to appear in the next decade. The entire approach in terms of managing healthcare for patients, understanding their needs, the focus of individuals in terms of prevention, wellness, that is, and care will also become very important. Insurance, medical insurance for families has greatly been increased because people have become more aware. And I think this will serve well for people. Public investment in healthcare will definitely increase, and collaborations between private and public healthcare institutions and also within private institutions will become the norm, given that there will be ramifications based on cost and capital spent that might be constrained due to the impact of COVID. I think these will become the new normal, and these are all good signs for an industry that needs to really buckle up and fill the gap that is faced by the Indian citizens.